project we're doing in Dublin. Getting ready for windows and doors, starting to pull exterior trim off, get things opened up. Definitely need some step repair, but that's a little bit later. This had a dropped family room, which we raised the floor up to make one level. Gives a little more cohesiveness as you walk through. The patio doors are still sunken down, but we will get them brought up when they're in and get everything repositioned. We're going to remove the header there between the window and the door, and the upper header will take care of the load, so it'll be a mold unit instead of having that space. This will be the future kitchen area here. We've got what I call a storyboard put on it. With the storyboard, we sort of do a layout, write the measurements. It helps us do the electric, keep everybody correct in the trades as they go along. That is for our downdraft that will go in. The knee wall will go in behind the island. Another storyboard on this wall, which will be pantries and a little bit of countertop for a landing area there. We widened the hallway, had a whole house fan, which pretty big proponent for. Cools the house off, especially this time of year. Turn it on in the evening and just pulls the heat out of the house real quick. This will be their pantry. And we went ahead and we've got a water hookup for their coffee maker that will go in there. We'll have countertops going across there and then built-in pantry area around there. Question we had today was what these metal pieces are for, and that's a pocket door. So it's just a pocket door frame. Allows us to put the door in the wall. They use steel for stiffness, and then you can see it's a C channel, and with that just gives it a little more stiffness to put it in. Coming into here, we've got the laundry room. So the laundry box being the hot and cold, and the drain for the washer and dryer. That's a recess for the dryer, and it just lets the pipe go back in and the dryer move back 3 or 4 inches, which in a lot of laundry rooms is really important. Big proponent for those, and most people are familiar with them. So I have the future washer and dryer hookup here. Plumbers did a nice job. Got everything capped, protected. Love copper, even though you don't see it much anymore. Coming down here, again, we sort of got things opened up. Coming in, we put in, will be a mud room with built-in cabinetry for storage. And then again, with this wider hallway, make it more comfortable to walk in towards the kitchen area. We've moved the heat runs, got them out of the middle of the floor there and along the walls, and just getting the mechanicals rearranged, straightened up for the new design. Future hall bath, we're going to do an arch there. This home had oversized skylights in the bathrooms, which is really nice. These are a lot of natural light in, and I have forgotten how nice they work. So on the outside, we started getting restoration done there. With that, coming around, got the screens removed in the screen porch. Removed the decking. We routed the edges off to give it a rounded edge to pick up like the original decking. Coming out, we had some rot issues in this area, so we replaced the framing, replaced the outside band, and put in some new balusters. We're putting some framing in right there. Going to do a horizontal, more of a modern look instead of the lattice, so we'll show you that in future films. So we're